Some people like to hunt. They're looking for a trophy to hang on their walls. My son and I are not hunters, but we wanted to get the ultimate trophy. A dragon head. Neither of us are... Sorry, that's hard on the throat. Sorry, this is serious. Neither of us are skilled enough to kill a dragon, so we'll just have to make our own trophy. This is a multi-part project. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. Hey, welcome back. I plan on sculpting my dragon head trophy out of foam. So in this video, I'll be making a hot wire tool to help me with that. My hot wire is broken, so I have to basically take the whole thing apart in order to fix it. So I thought I may as well just show you how I built my hot wire, since I've got to redo it anyway. So the first thing is the hot wire is made out of this kind of wire, and I can't remember what it's called, but I got this out of a blow dryer, like this one. If you look inside a blow dryer, you can see those springs inside. I just got an old blow dryer, I opened it up, and these were the springs that are inside like this. Now this wire is special in that it has a high resistance. So if you run electricity through it, it gets very, very hot, but it keeps its strength and doesn't burn up really fast. So this is what we use to make the hot wire. So what I've done is I've taken a length of this, pulled it out straight. That's the wire that I'll be connecting together to cut foam. The power source for my hot wire is just this wall wart AC/DC adapter. I don't know what it used to go to, but the important thing is that it's 12 volts. It's 1 amp. So there's a lot of electricity going through this. And what I've done on the other end is cut off the adapter. Like I said, I'm rebuilding this, so you'll see I've already stripped the ends. There's a little bit of solder on them still from when they were connected before. Then I cut a couple of lengths of PVC. This is 1/2-inch PVC. I drilled some holes in the end, and I ran some screws through it. You can see screws with a washer on it right there. You can see in here where the solder was from when it was hooked up before. So I've got 2 of these, and I'm going to solder the ends of that electric cable from the AC adapter, one onto each of these screws. And then this wire, you see right here, is that heating element wire from that was a spring. So I've straightened it all out, and I end up screwing it on between the screw head and the washer right here. And I'll do the same thing on this side. And basically that means that electricity is going to run from the AC adapter up here to the screw, then through this wire, through that screw, back down. So that's the circuit, and this area, with its high resistance, this wire will get very, very, very hot, and it will be perfect for melting and cutting foam with a nice clean edge. So the other thing that I've done here is I've got another length of 1/2-inch PVC, and I'm putting elbows on it like this. And these things are going to connect on each side. And the wire's going to run up through here, up to those, so then it's like a bow that I can hold on to, and it'll keep that wire taut. Okay, I've run the wire up through a hole that I drilled here. Drilled all the way through. I didn't have to, I could just drill on one side. Then it comes out on the 2 ends. So then we run it through the elbow. And I'm not going to bother gluing this PVC together. It just needs to stick together. It holds pretty good, so got that. And then I'm going to run this up here. Now I'm going to solder the end of this wire. This wire to that screw. Now we assemble the whole thing. So it's important that this be as tight as possible. So what I'm going to do, I've got kind of a bend. Yeah, I know kind of where it needs to be right there. I'm going to connect it together first. Right here. And I've got some slack. Okay. So now, as I try to put this in, it's going to pull that tight. So I made it just a little bit smaller than it wants to be. So there we are. The hot wire, and this is pretty taut. You can see it kind of see that it kind of bends in a little bit here and here, and that's okay because it's keeping this tight and taut, and that's what I want. So next, let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a test. Here's some foam. It's 2-inch pink insulation foam. It's dusty. Take this and plug it in. It only takes a second. Look at that. Super smooth, super detailed. It's awesome. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit subscribe so you can catch the rest of the series. We're having a lot of fun with this. See you next time.